Good morning, students. From Standard 7 English Medium. Chapter number 3rd. What is this chapter name? The chapter name is Pronouns. And in this chapter, I have discussed about the pronouns, types of pronoun, personal pronoun, possessive pronoun. These are the type. This personal and possessive pronoun already I have explained, and the remaining pronouns are explained today, but not all. Some of them. Okay, so talk about today demonstrative and interrogative pronouns. So what is demonstrative pronoun? See here, this definition of the demonstrative pronouns is pronouns such as that, these and those, used to point to the specific things they refer to, are called demonstrative pronoun. What are they? You see, these, that, these and those. This is the singular and these are plural. These and that singular, these and those we use for as plural. So this is the demonstrative pronouns we use here. How? See the example. Here are given two examples. I like the color of this dress. And second example, this is the dress that I wish to buy for my birthday. How we identify this, that, these and those used as demonstrative pronoun, not used as demonstrative adjectives. Here, how we use? See, in the sentence we see replace or points towards the nouns and are called demonstrative pronoun. What? These, that, these and those used as instead of noun, that is called demonstrative pronoun. And if these, that, these and those used before the noun, so that is called demonstrative adjective that we use. See here the example. Example number 1, I like the color of this dress. This is used. This used where? Before this dress. Dress is noun form and before this dress. Okay, this is used. So this is the demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Now come to the second example. Talk about dress. This is the dress that. Talk about this dress. Okay, talk about this is the dress that I wish to buy for my birthday. That, what? Dress. That is used for what? Instead of this dress. So that is noun. Okay, what? Demonstrative noun. See, one more example I give you. This pen is blue. This pen is blue. So what here use? This, and after here is pen is noun. So this is the demonstrative adjective. What? Demonstrative adjective. Before a noun we use this. So demonstrative adjective. This is okay, and we use this is a pen. So talk about this demonstrative pronoun we use. Okay, so this is how we recognize it, if use demonstrative adjective or demonstrative pronoun. Now comes to the second. What? Interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. What is the interrogative pronouns? Pronouns such as who, was, which and what that are used to ask questions are called interrogative pronoun. What? Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative means question. At last the symbol of question we use it. And what? With who, what, which and whose we use as interrogative pronoun. Okay, how we use this interrogative pronoun, how we ask? Let's see the example. Example number 1, who is the Prime Minister of India? Whose is this? What does your father do? Which is the three which is the tree that you planted. This type of question we ask in interrogative pronoun. Okay, how, who is the Prime Minister of India, whose is this, what does your father do, and which is the tree that you planted. Okay, this is how we use who, what, which, and whose. Okay, now here given the fill in the blanks using this interrogative pronoun. How and where we put the proper interrogative pronoun, let's see. Here is the first blank given. What instruction is fill in the blanks with appropriate interrogative pronoun. Okay, so here the first blank is here. Blank wants to work on this mathematics project. So what we use here given the 4 interrogative pronoun, but here we use here given, see, the verb, main verb, and adding s. So here we use who. Blank wants to work on this mathematics project means someone means we talk about the person, so we use who instead of talking about the person. Now comes to the second. Blank is the medium of instruction in your school. So what? Something. So here in the second blank we use what? Which is the medium of instruction in your school. Now comes to the third. Blank is the owner of this pen. So here also talk about a person. So what we write in the third one? In the third one we write this who. Who is the owner of this pen? Comes to the fourth one. Blank are you doing this weekend? So something is doing. What? So comes to this question with what? What are you doing this weekend? Comes to number 5. Blank would you prefer? Pink or blue? Here going to prefer you, by you. So what? So asking the question with which. Which would you prefer, pink or blue, showing the color. Now at the last, blank are you looking for? So something is looking for you. So what you write here? What? Question with what? So this is how we make the question with interrogative pronoun. How? Using the WH question. Who, whose, what, and which. Okay, I hope you understand this WH question, interrogative questions, and this the demonstrative pronouns, which you keep in your mind these things, these, that, these, and those. These 4 things we use as in demonstrative pronoun, and WH question we use in interrogative pronoun. I hope you understand it, and thank you for listening these pronouns.